Okay, the way you use this, you fill up the jar with ice water, and you're going to make sure that this valve is closed. It has to be horizontal like this, and then you just press it down like this. Once it snaps, it flows through. Then you can open this ever so slightly and let water drip. Of course, you're going to put your coffee and your coffee filter here. And if you want to, this is for iced coffee, of course. If you want to make hot coffee, you can also do it with this. You make sure you take this off, and the way you take it off is you put this nozzle up like this, and it comes off very easy. And nothing's going to come out of here. This is sealed, even if it has water inside it. So then you will turn this a little bit like this, and again you have your coffee and your filter in here. With hot water, you just pour over it, and of course you can have your coffee mug here as well, and you make yourself a nice cup of hot coffee. Thank you. And yeah, and these you use for, you can put brown sugar and white sugar and creamer inside these. Very nice. Enjoy it.